Find object in list that has attribute equal to some value that meets any condition. I've got a list of objects. I want to find one, first or whatever, object in this list that has an attribute or method result, whatever, equal to value. What's the best way to find it? Here's a test case. I think using generators and reduce won't make any difference because it still would be iterating through the list. P.S. Equation to value is just an example. Of course, we want to get an element that meets any condition.
This gets the first item from the list that matches the condition, and returns none if no item matches. It's my preferred single expression form. However, the naive loop break version is perfectly Pythonic. It's concise, clear, and efficient. To make it match the behavior of the one-liner, this will assign none to X if you don't break out of the loop.
Since it has not been mentioned just for completion, the good old filter to filter your to-be filtered elements. Functional Programming FTW. I know that generally in Python list comprehensions are preferred, or at least that is what I read, but I don't see the issue, to be honest. Of course Python is not an FP language, but map, reduce, filter are perfectly readable and are the most standard of standard use cases in functional programming. So there you go. Know thy functional programming. Filter condition list. It won't get any easier than this.
A simple example, we have the following array. Now, we want to find the object in the array that has ID equal to 1. Use method next with list comprehension. Use list comprehension and return first item. Custom function. Output all the above methods is ID column 1, name column Ronaldo.
Old question, but I use this quite frequently, for version 3.8. It's a bit of syntactic salt, but it has the advantage over the top answer in that you could retrieve a list of results, if there are multiple, by simply removing the 0, and it still defaults to none if nothing is found. For any other condition, simply change the x.value equals value to whatever you're looking for.
Pushing the extreme.